Alex and Mia are friends. They like adventures. One day, they find a little shop. It is hidden and very old. The shop has many old things, books, maps, and more. A nice old man works there. He shows them a special book. It is very old, the man says.
This book is about an explorer. It has a secret.
The book has a map. The map shows a way to find treasure in their town. Alex and Mia are very happy. They want to find the treasure, the old man says.
Follow the map. It will show you where to go.
Alex and Mia take the book and start their adventure. They walk around the town. The map takes them to different places. They see the market, a big park, and a river. The map shows them a place near a big tree in the park. Under the tree, they find a small box. They open it. Inside, there are pretty stones and a note. The note says, "Good job, you found the treasure." Alex and Mia are excited. They go back to the shop. They tell the old man about the treasure. He is happy for them.
You did great,
he says. Alex and Mia are very happy. They want more adventures. They learned that finding things is fun.